Nearly 80 people don't die as heavy flash flood hit central Texas and 28 children dey among. And after 21 months of heavy war, e get small hope say Israel and Hamas fit announce ceasefire as Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu don waka go Washington to meet US President Donald Trump. Na small for today tori be that. Na Pidgin Tori Global be this, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija Pidgin. If e dey happen forward, we go dey run and hear the way e sabi am. Oya make we enter the gist proper. Nearly 80 people don die as heavy flash flood sweep central Texas. Rescue still dey go on and officials dey fear say the death number fit still rise. Most of the people wey die, wey 28 na children, na for Kerr County where flood enter guest camp. Judge Rob Kelly tok say dem no expect say the flood go bad like this at all. The wahala start on Thursday night reach Friday morning as rain wey suppose fall for months fall in just few hours. Guadalupe River rise reach 26 feet for just 45 minutes, burst bank scatter everywhere. Texas Division of Emergency Management activate emergency response on Wednesday because dem see say flood fit happen for central Texas. By Thursday afternoon, National Weather Service issue flood watch talk say National Weather Service issue flood watch talk say Kerr County dey high risk. By 1:14 a.m. Friday morning, dem don give flash flood warning for Kerr County. Then serious emergency warning come 4:03 a.m. plus another one for Guadalupe River 5:34 a.m. Judge Kelly say county no get warning system because e too cost. Dem look am 6 years ago but e no fit do am. National Weather Service talk say dem dey heartbroken over the deaths and defend themselves say dem give briefing and flood watch early plus flash flood warnings with over 3 hours lead time. Some officials for Texas dey blame NWS say dem no estimate the rain well. But old NWS people talk say forecast dey okay considering how the rain just increase sharp. US President Donald Trump don talk say any country wey dey support BRICS alliance against US interests go pay extra 10% tariff. Trump drop am for im Truth Social say any country wey follow anti-American policies of BRICS go chop additional 10% tariff, no exceptions. BRICS na group wey wan boost members' power make dem fit challenge US and Western Europe. The bloc don expand last year to add Egypt, Ethiopia, Indonesia, Iran, Saudi Arabia and United Arab Emirates, join Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. Their countries hold over half of world people. BRICS leaders gather for meetings for Rio de Janeiro, Brazil this weekend. They push for change inside global institutions and they use the alliance for diplomatic level as trade wahala and tensions dey rise. Finance Minister release statement on Sunday say tariff dey spoil global economy and bring uncertainty for trade. Dem also blast military strikes for Iran last June, say e break international law. The summit see leaders like India Prime Minister Narendra Modi and South African President Cyril Ramaphosa wey attend in person. China President Xi Jinping no show. Na Premier Li Qiang represent am. Russian President Vladimir Putin attend online because ICC don put arrest warrant for am over war crimes for Ukraine. For 2024, Trump bin don threa ten 100% tariff if BRICS try bring their own currency to challenge US dollar. US President Donald Trump don blast Elon Musk because e wan start new political party. Trump tell reporters before e enter Air Force One say e think say e no make sense to start third party. E say na two-party system US dey do and this one go just cause confusion. Musk, wey be billionaire, don set up American Party to fight the Republican and Democrat Uniparty. He announced am for X after weeks of hints. Before dem two get quarrel, Musk and Trump be tight. Musk even lead Department of Government Efficiency (DOGE) wey dey try reduce government spending. Musk don dey always vex for policies wey dey increase national debt. He talk say for now, the American Party go focus on House and Senate elections for next 12 months. Trump still enter Truth Social to talk say e dey sad to see say Musk go off the rails and turn to train wreck. He also blast Musk electric vehicle mandate, say e for force everybody to buy electric car quick. Trump remind people say im tax and spending law wey e sign July 4 don remove tax breaks for electric motors. The law increase spending for border security, defense and energy but e cut healthcare and food support money. Musk start to dey talk about new party. Him and Trump begin fight over spending matter. Israeli media dey report say Netanyahu don reach US for im meeting with Trump. The Times of Israel tok say Israel ambassador to US and Israeli consul general for New York welcome am for joint base Andrews near Washington DC. Netanyahu go meet US Secretary of State Marco Rubio and Special Envoy Steve Witkoff today. Talk about ceasefire for Gaza don increase for recent days. Last week, Trump tok say e dey help commit international crime, something wey dem say e no match the values of French people. And the last one for today, for Morwell, Australia, court don find Erin Peterson guilty say na she cook the wicked mushroom lunch wey kill 3 of her family people and nearly finish another one. Dem talk say her in-laws, Don and Gail Peterson, wey be 70 years, plus Gail's sister, Hida Wilkinson, wey be 66 years, chop the food, begin sick and die some days after. Prosecution talk say Erin sabi well say na death cap mushroom she put for the food. Still, she lie give police and even throway evidence. But her lawyers talk say na mistake she take carry the poison mushroom cook and say she lie because fear dey catch am. Dem go later decide how many years she go spend for prison. Na the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Goffey dey report for Pidgin Tori Global. Una do well.